Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best wireless backup cameras in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Garmin BC 30 wireless backup camera. Garmin is a standout amongst the most put stock in brands in the worldwide market, which would already able to furnish you with a justifiable reason motivation to pick this item, most importantly others. This would already able to give you the certainty that this remote reinforcement camera will be a dependable decision. The rough development of this item is likewise outstanding, one thing Garmin is known for. Indeed, even during that time and with an introduction to outer components, you can be sure that the item will stay in its pinnacle condition. It will at present convey prevalent usefulness. If there is one thing that can view as a downside, it would the way that establishment will confound. Truth be told, the producer prescribes this is not one thing that you ought to do all alone. Approach the merchant or an area workman for some assistance, despite the fact that this could mean an additional cost on your end. Pros. It gives a great view. Garmin BC 30 is easy to use. It made up of excellent material. Cons. Installation might be tricky for some people. Number 2. Our second best pick is Yada Digital Wireless Backup Camera. Planned particularly to help lessen blindsides, the Yada Digital Wireless Backup Camera with dash monitor offer drivers security and simplicity of seeing what is behind the vehicle when in the switch. Advanced wireless execution gives no obstruction in the screen and genuine feelings of serenity knowing your picture not ready to be seen by others. The backup camera is anything but difficult to introduce. The tag incorporates night vision and is waterproof with an IP67 rating. The 4.3 LCD monitor unmistakably demonstrates the live picture from the back of your auto and accompanies a suction glass mount for a simple situation. Watch. Think. Grin, you and the general population around you are protected. See what is behind you before you go down. Camera mounts to tag and powers by means of the switch tail light. Flag transmits remotely to the 4.3 inches dash screen. A camera has 110 wide point C, is waterproof and incorporates night vision. Screen incorporates stopping collaborator lines. A picture shows up consequently and the vehicle is backward. Pros. It is easy to install. Yada Digital is easy to use. It works better than expected. Cons. There might be some screen view problem. Number 3. Our third best pick is Pyle Backup Rear View Car Camera Screen Monitor System. The Pyle PLCM 7700 Rear View Backup Camera and 7-inch monitor kit highlights a waterproof, night vision skilled back view camera and a substantial 7-inch screen that frame a framework ideal for enhancing reinforcement permeability. The camera introduces effectively at the best base of your back tag and has an IP68 weatherproof rating, night vision capacity, and a wide-edge 170-degree field of view. It even has incorporated separation line mode to demonstrate your closeness to hindrances in your view to make stopping speedier, simpler, and more secure. Check whether you think this is the best reinforcement camera for your necessities. Top-notch, 7-inch TFT LCD show conveys preferred video quality and detail over littler models. Simple introduce, a tag-mounted camera gives you a full shading, wide point 170-degree view to the back, has an IP68 weatherproof rating, and night vision capacity. Get help with stopping utilizing the incorporated separation scale lines mode that demonstrates your separation to objects in your field of view. Effectively control the menu-driven control framework utilizing the included full work, remote control. Associate extra composite video sources utilizing the double video input sources. Pros. It gives a clear image. This is a waterproof camera. It is easy to use. Cons. Some people say that the distance lines make a problem for you. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is backup camera and monitor kit for car. Chuanganzuo wireless backup camera and screen unit can give you the capacity to see the most modest critters sneaking behind your auto. Not anymore stressing your neck to check whether a customer is attempting to zoom by you or ensuring the inverse auto isn't hauling out. The waterproof camera additionally outfitted with worked-in IR sensor vision for nighttime. The camera connects specifically to tag for the simple establishment. The LCD screen fits advantageously on your dashboard. The screen goes about like an ordinary back view mirror, and reflector will naturally show up when the screen is killed. So you can cut it over your unique mirror, and the back view picture will show up on the screen consequently while turning around the car, so this is multi-work reflect screen. Wireless camera and monitor kit for car, universal waterproof rear C license plate backup camera plus 4.3-inch TFT LCD adjustable rear view monitor. The screen will start up consequently, and synchronously show the video from rear view camera when you're backing your auto. The screen will close itself after backing. Scenes will slice to rear view camera naturally while you're backing the auto and change back to the first scenes after that. Receives 4.3-inch TFT LCD show screen, Pyle and NTSC system 16:9 show design and 480x 272 pixels. This screen is not splendid like a typical mirror because of it was included anti-glare innovation the screen. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Furrion wireless high-speed RV observation system. Furrion, as a producer of electronic contraptions, has to some degree notoriety in the market. This seeps into a scope of perception cameras implied for vehicles with a few models out there. This specific model is an advanced remote back view camera, which is an advantage unto itself. The establishment is an amazingly simple ordeal for even the minimum specialized client. The bundle comes furnished with a mounting section and you just need to sync place of your vehicle's pre-introduced RV camera. Past that, you only need to fire up your vehicle, switch on the screen for it to begin working. In advance, you get an unmistakable visual on 4.2 creeps of LCD screen, again set up with its mounting section. In any case, the night vision is a high contrast impact which can end up being somewhat prohibitive all in all. All things considered, it doesn't avoid points of interest or quality. Pros. It is easy to install. This camera is easy to use. It is water and dust proof. It gives a great view. Cons. It is expensive. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.